Hello, everybody. Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to help you, inspire you, motivate you, and encourage you to great successes on your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And tonight's subject is one that is a very enjoyable one to visit, and that is keto influencers. Who do you follow that are prominent keto influencers? I'd like to know. I'll tell you who mine are if you so desire. It's a great way to stay inspired and informed on your keto journey by following very prominent keto influencers, and we'll talk about that today. You know, the ketogenic lifestyle and diet has gained immense popularity for its ability to transform health, promote weight loss, and improve overall well-being. However, sticking to a strict keto diet can be challenging, especially if you're new to it or lack the right or proper support. One of the best ways to stay motivated and encouraged and truly informed is by following keto influencers and bloggers. These individuals not only share their personal keto journeys, but also provide valuable tips, recipes, and inspiration to keep you on track. Whether you're a seasoned keto veteran or just considering starting, here's why connecting with keto influencers can be a game changer for you. Number one, access to a wealth of knowledge and tips. Keto influencers are often experts who have spent countless years researching, practicing, and perfecting the ketogenic diet. Many of them have gone through their own transformations, and they know what it takes to succeed and prosper with keto. By following their blogs, social media profiles, and YouTube channels, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and their own real-life experiences, from learning about essential keto-friendly ingredients to understanding how to avoid hidden carbs. Keto influencers can simplify your journey and help you make informed decisions. Additionally, many keto influencers share tips that go beyond diet and nutrition. They discuss meal planning, workout routines, and strategies for managing cravings, all of which can be very crucial and vital for maintaining long-term success on keto. By absorbing their expertise and knowledge, you can gain confidence in your keto journey and feel empowered to make the best choices for your health. Number two, endless recipe inspiration. You know, those keto influencers have a wealth of knowledge in terms of keto recipes. Let's face it, the ketogenic diet can sometimes feel rather restrictive, especially when you're avoiding high-carb foods like bread, pasta, and desserts. One of the most valuable contributions that keto influencers make is providing a constant stream of delicious and creative recipes. These influencers experiment with new flavors and techniques, transforming classic dishes into keto-friendly alternatives that you can enjoy guilt-free. From quick and easy snacks to elaborate meals that impress dinner guests, The recipes are shared by keto bloggers and influencers are designed to keep your diet varied and exciting. For those who love cooking or simply need practice with practical meal ideas, following these experts can keep your menu fresh and full of flavor and variety. Number 3, motivation through real life success stories. Seeing is believing, everybody, and there's nothing more inspiring than following someone who has experienced a successful transformation. Many keto influencers share this before and after photos with you. You see this often, detailing their struggles, victories, and lessons learned along the way. And those pre and post pictures are really the ones that create the influence and persuade others that keto is for real. Whether they've overcome weight issues, battled health problems, or achieved fitness goals, their stories can serve as powerful sources of motivation and inspiration for those considering the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Following influencers who have been where you are now can help you visualize what's possible for you. Their stories can remind you that with consistency and the right mindset, you too can achieve the results that you truly desire. Number 4, engaging with a supportive community. The keto community is vast and supportive. By following keto influencers, you not only gain access to their content, but also become part of their larger network of like-minded individuals. Influencers often host Q&A sessions, question and answer sessions, conduct challenges, and create exclusive communities for their followers. These opportunities allow you to engage with others, ask questions, and share your progress. Having truly a support system can make a significant difference for you, especially when you encounter obstacles or moments of doubt. Connecting with others who share similar goals and experiences can keep you indeed accountable and motivated, ensuring you stay on track with your keto lifestyle. In conclusion, following prominent keto influencers is a practical and effective way for you to enhance your keto journey, whether you're just starting out or have been on the path for years. The knowledge, recipes, and inspiration they provide can keep you engaged, energized, informed, and motivated. Remember, success in the ketogenic lifestyle is not just about following a set of rules. It's about finding joy, contentment, variety, and support along the way. So start exploring the vibrant world of keto influencers today. Your next source of inspiration could be just a click away. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. And who are your favorite keto influencers? I'd love to know and share that with you. And if you'd like to know mine, I'll definitely respond to your questions on that note. And thank you so much for watching my video. I truly appreciate you. I would be very honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, any questions or comments, I'd love to respond to them. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. And we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye.